Yo, listen up, here's the story about a little guy that lives in a blue world.
I don't have this in my phone.
Inside and outside, blue his house with a blue window and a blue Corvette, and everything is blue on him and himself. Everybody around nobody.
Ladies and gentlemen, making his way out. Azul Tormenta. Maybe he's just coming to hang out with the crowd. Trying to get some fans to dance with him. Azul Tormenta dancing his way out here. Getting high fives from a couple of fans at ringside.
I'll tell you one thing, they didn't want to forget the three grown men twerking on the last week.
Azul was able to pick up his first victory here in OCW last week. Seen him trying on Cedric Moore to take on the good old boys.
Yeah, and those two defeated those three.
That's right. 2 defeated 3 last week. He's got the same mask you do, Azul. Hold on, nigga. The dancing machine, Azul Tormenta.
Is there a thing, such thing as blue sauce?
We're shooting right now, live in person. And once again, music I don't recognize.
I don't recognize this either.
Who is coming out to confront Azul Tormenta?
Azul trying to audition for Magic Mike Triple H.
Whoever it is, Azul seems to like the music.
Last week she was better than this week.
I'm not sure. Ladies and gentlemen, making her way out here to the ringside. Alex Savage. Coming into the ring.
It looks like Azul Tormenta may have a prom date. I'm not sure she goes for mascots.
Well, I guess we're having a match here.
Apparently we are.
I see that. Management is just at work making this match official. Azul Tormenta going one-on-one here with Alex Savage.
This will be Alex Savage wrestling her OCW debut. A member, the M-word that is, of the Orchestrated Rebellion.
Referee calls for the bell and we're underway. I think Azul just wants to dance.
I think Tormenta wants a salsa. Blue salsa, that is.
Calling elbow time period. Alley with an arm wringer. Wrist lock applied as well.
Nobody hit a wrist sleeve or, like you said, pressure on the arm.
Azul reverses it into a hammerlock.
And
He continuing to dance.
I guess he wants to shake it like a soul singer.
Oh, Alley stomping on the toes.
No dancing tonight.
Oh, he's still dancing.
Yeah, he's wobble wobble, he's hip hop. Keep in mind you need 2 feet to dance. Hey, he's calling it. Okay.
Looks like Azul wants to lock up again.
Of course, love hurts comes your way next week.
On an elbow tie up here. Savage continuing to work on that arm. What is Azul going to do here? Reverses it into a hammerlock.
Yeah, the right side. And still.
And again, a stomp on the foot from Alan Savage.
Once again, he's still trying to look for a prom date, and bottom line, keeps turning down every chance he gets.
Like I said, Azul just wants to dance. I don't think he's here to fight.
Yeah, his version of hip-hop in Spanish.
A little shoulder zippy there from Azul. Drops down the ropes to the outside.
This is too much.
Azul back in.
Don't you feel this is like watching an episode of Seinfeld?
I was pretty sure I was watching So You Think You Can Dance.
Yeah. Maybe Fox will get some ratings out of this collar and elbow tie.
Savage taking Azul back into the corner. Clean break from Savage.
To me, Savage needs to capitalize. Like right there.
Kick to the knee. If I'm not mistaken, she's also a student of Big Jack. Am I correct?
Yes, you are. We already saw Dino earlier. She's one of the second students. But like I said, she's a member of the Orchestrated Rebellion. Remember that political group is.
Azul building the effects of that kick to the knee.
But to me, this is inexperience because bottom line, you got somebody, you got a body per inch, you need to go after it and stay on it.
Yeah, there was no follow-up from Savage.
None.
Azul dancing on the outside.
That's way too many precious seconds. Way too many. And bottom line, you're literally giving Azul Tormenta more time to shimmy through the break of dawn. Yeah.
A little recovery time as well as dances on the outside. Savage giving chase now.
That's the first time a girl has chased a boy. That's the first.
Back in the ring now.
And he's hung on by the ropes.
Nowhere to go.
Like I said, is this the first time a female wrestler's ever chased a male wrestler inside a wrestling match?
Maybe. I'd have to get back to you on that.
Yeah.
That's the strength here. Oh, somebody with a kick to that knee.
Need to stay on that knee right now. Period. Do not need to let up. You need to stay on it. Smart. Sometimes you can't go into wrestling matches light cloudy and lightheaded.
Oh, scoops up, slams him down.
Landed on the
Puts the
foot.
leg out into the pool.
Well, she has somebody to play for herself. See, this is the point in time right now. I'm sorry to cut you off, Perry. This is the point in time where she needs to capitalize right now.
Pulling Azul up to his knees. Big right from Ali Savage.
Probably knock him English.
And another. He's got Azul locked in the corner.
Yeah, you gotta be aggressive. You got the advantage, you better keep it.
Stomping away on it now. Breaks it free.
But still, you got to get on to your opponent. You got to be aggressive. You got to show aggression here.
Savage pulling his over a big headbutt.
That's to me at Parliament in Mexico. And I'll know all about Parliament C-SPAN tomorrow night. And again.
Big European uppercut from Ali Savage.
Slow, methodical, but effective.
Whips Azul off the ropes. And a clothesline takes his head off.
That was wicked. When you say period, that was wicked.
Yeah, it was a wicked clothesline from Ali Savage. She drops into a cover, hooks the leg. Out in one.
Yeah, like Puck Daddy. 1, 1, 1, 1.
Breaking the eyes.
I know that's fucking her DJs. Paying attention. And Tormenta is slowly making his way up to his feet.
Forearm of Savage in the corner, and again. Repeated shots with that forearm. Referee trying to get her out of the corner.
I think he gave out a little break deal. Because you know he was going to reach 5. When you reach 5, it's disqualified.
That's right. Savage backing up here for an head steam. It's a corner splash.
Ooh, what impact. Squash the twerk out of him.
At least for now.
Well, you ain't got no glutes and you ain't got no booty, you ain't twerking. Just saying.
Savage staying right on Azul. Oh! In the kitchen sink.
God! Oh, forget about it. Whoa!
That is an upset.
Wow!
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner of the match in her OCW debut, Ali Savage.
One kick to the chest and ouch! Yeah, Tormenta made some help. You may need, I'm not sure what the Spanish word of spatula is, but Tormenta said it needed. Ouch!
Yeah, you said that quarter splash took the twerk out of him. If the quarter splash didn't do it,
now that pumpkin did. That pumpkin right to the midsection.
I think it might have been a little bit lower than the midsection.
That could cause internal bleeding.